Hello everyone, my name is Grace Ogeoke, your number one do-it-yourself advocate. I advocate for people to go acquire a skill, learn a skill, a trade, anything at all that saves you money and fetches you money. And I don't just advocate, I actually teach people these skills. Presently, I teach people on how to make 30 different beauty and sanitary cleaning products on your own. So before you today is actually 80 liters of multi-purpose liquid soap that I've just made. It's for a supply, so I wanted to do a small video where you get to see me do this, and I made this with just 5 main chemicals. That's aside your preservative, color, and your perfume. And you know what, now that the year 2019 is rounding up, it's very important, imperative that you learn a skill that saves you money and also fetches you money. So what are you waiting for? Acquire more skills so that you could end this year 2019 more skillful than you started. So like I said, I run a training program. It's called the Do-It-Yourself Empowerment Training Program. I encourage you, I urge you to join me, and we'll see you there. We're like one family. We'll train ourselves, we'll encourage ourselves, and guess what? We make money for ourselves. So I come and go again next time. I remain yours sincerely, Grace Ogeoke, your number one Do-It-Yourself advocate. Bye.